Hey guys, it's Pilar and I'm back at it again with another review for you. So today I'm going to be going over the Shopkick app. It's one of the few shopping rewards apps that I use on a regular basis to earn points towards free gift cards and PayPal cash. Now, I've been using the app for over 2 years and so far I've earned over $200 in free gift cards. Now, the app does function much differently than other cashback reward programs that I've reviewed on this channel. Now, you will get rewarded whether you make a purchase or not, so it's a unique feature that I really think you're going to enjoy. Now, in this Shopkick app review, I'm going to share with you my personal experience using the app as I always do. You'll learn exactly how Shopkick works, how to get started, as well as see how much you can earn using the shopping rebate app. If you're new to Shopkick, then you can download the app using the link underneath this video, then enter the promotional code you see on your screen. That is going to earn you a sign-up bonus of 500 kicks, aka points. Simply use the app to earn your first 10 kicks within your first 14 days to automatically qualify for the free welcome bonus reward. That's essentially $2 and a free gift card. So what is Shopkick? Shopkick is a retail cashback app for Android and iPhone users that rewards you for in-store and online shopping purchases, watching short video clips, scanning product barcodes, and more. You're rewarded in points that are referred to as kicks, which can be redeemed for PayPal cash or free gift cards at over 5 dozen merchants. So before I go into all the different ways in which you can earn Shopkick kicks, let's talk about how much these kicks are actually worth. So one kick is worth about 0.004 cents per kick or 250 kicks per dollar. Now, the lesser value activities on Shopkick will earn you about 1 to 80 kicks, whereas other things such as uploading a receipt with a kick offer will earn you upwards of 1,000 kicks. And how about how many kicks do you need in order to get a gift card? Well, the minimum amount of kicks you need in order to get a gift card is 500 kicks, which is equivalent to $2 in value. Now, you will get that with the sign-up bonus reward when you enter the promotional code you see on your screen and when you get your first 10 kicks. You can do that as easily as going into a store on your next shopping trip and scanning a product barcode that's on Shopkick. It's an easy way to get $2 for free. Now, currently 500 kicks will earn you a free gift card to places such as Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, HomeSense, and Sierra. Now, once you reach 1,250 kicks, more gift card options will become available to you. Now, free gift cards are great, but you're probably more interested in redeeming your kicks for PayPal cash. Now, kicks can be redeemed for either a $10 or $25 PayPal cash credit. This is what Shopkick calls it. Essentially, it's PayPal money sent to you that can be cashed out to a bank account. PayPal reward redemptions will run you an extra 50 kicks as a transaction fee, so just take a note of that. Now, this fee is already built into the redemption cost. So for example, 2,550 kicks will get you a $10 PayPal cash credit and 6,300 kicks will get you a $25 PayPal cash credit. All right, so let's talk about the different ways in which you can earn kicks. And one of the first ways is with Shopkick deals. Now, product rebate deals will get you the most amount of points on Shopkick. This is where you purchase an in-store or online offer and upload your receipt for kick points. Now, in-store kick offers can be redeemed by selecting an offer within the app and purchasing it at a Shopkick participating store. Simply snap a picture of the receipt once you've made your purchase and upload it to Shopkick. The online kick offers work similar to a deals website such as Rakuten, whereby a retailer offers the deal site an affiliate commission for sending customers like you and I to them. Now, when you open the Shopkick app and go to the online shopping tab, you'll see a list of Shopkick partnered retailers. Click over to any retailer you wish to shop and make your purchase. Shopkicks will reward you a designated amount of kicks per dollar spent at that retailer. Now, after you've completed your purchase, Shopkick will confirm within 72 hours that your kicks are on their way and when you should expect to see them in your account. Another way to earn kicks is through Shopkick gig-like features. It's one of the best apps that pays you to walk around and get moving. Again, you never have to make a purchase in order to earn free gift cards. As a matter of fact, these features is what helped me earn my first Shopkick gift card. Now, one way to do this is with walk-ins. Now, stores are willing to pay a pretty penny to get you into their store to shop. They know that once you're inside, there's a high likelihood that you'll buy something. For that reason, retailers pay apps like Shopkick to bring you in, and Shopkick pays you a portion of that money. Now, simply make sure you enable location pinpointing on Shopkick and then walk into a store with available walk-in points. Once you do, you'll immediately receive points. Now, these points can range anywhere from 10 to 250 kicks per walk-in. So there's also product scans. Now you can earn kicks for walking around a store and scanning product barcodes. So hey, if you're interested in a little workout that pays, then this feature may very well turn into your best workout buddy. Now scanning products can earn you anywhere from 5 to 45 kicks per scan, sometimes upwards of 80. There's one that I recently earned with 80 kicks. Now according to Shopkick, they do have a limited number of scans per product available in total across all users of the application and Shopkick program. So if the scan limit is reached, you will no longer be able to earn kicks for scanning that product. So if you do want to use this feature, then just make sure that once the scans are available, go ahead, grab those kicks at your nearby store. So we just went over the main ways in which you can earn kicks, but there are also lesser known ways in which you can earn more kicks towards free gift cards and PayPal Cash. In this section, I'll go over those ways. Now, there are Shopkick Promotions. Now, this is perhaps the easiest method to get free kicks on Shopkick, and it barely requires any effort on your part. On occasion, Shopkick will send you a notification about special promotions to earn free kicks. Now, check under the Announcements tab in your app to see these notifications to earn free kicks. For example, not long ago, Shopkick rewarded me 50 kicks for simply opening the app 7 days straight in a row. You can also watch 30-second video clips and earn kicks. Now, this method is going to earn you the least amount of kicks, but hey, it's still something. Now, under the Discover tab, you'll see products being advertised. Occasionally, there will be an opportunity to earn 1 to 3 kicks for simply watching a 15 to 30-second promotional video clip. Another way is by linking your credit or debit card to Shopkick. Now, if you ever heard of the popular catchphrase, set it and forget it, then this is essentially what this is. So essentially what you do is you link your credit or debit card. Now it has to be a Visa or MasterCard. You link that to Shopkick and you then go ahead and buy with your linked card. Shopkick will search for eligible kick rewards at participating retailers. Kick points earned will be automatically applied to your account within a few days. Now these kicks will be temporarily reserved in your account and cannot be redeemed until the 30 to 45 day store return period has passed. Now, just a quick tip on this, in order for your linked debit card transactions to count, you want to make sure to run your purchase through as a credit transaction. Now, on most payment terminals, press cancel when asked for your PIN number and select the credit option instead. This is going to ensure that you earn your Shopkick points. And then lastly, there are sweepstakes and giveaways. Now keep an eye for Shopkick emails promoting free kicks by entering these sweepstakes and giveaways. I recently entered the Shopkick Christmas in July 125,000 kicks giveaway. Now the requirements for entering were to answer a few questions about how I use my Shopkick gift card rewards, as well as to earn 1 kick within the next few days. It was easy enough to complete, and now I'm crossing my fingers that I win the reward. So I do want to mention that after 2 years of using the app, I've discovered that on many occasions, I can double dip on rebate rewards by scanning the same receipt to other apps, such as the Fetch Rewards app. So for instance, I recently submitted my Walmart receipt to claim a Shopkick offer on Degree Women's Deodorant worth 750 kicks. That's a $3 rebate offer. Now, there was also a rebate offer for the same item on the Fetch app worth about 75 cents in cashback rewards. In total, I received $3.75 in cashback rewards by simply stacking my rebate apps. Needless to say, I do enjoy using the Shopkick app now more than I did when I first got started. It's definitely become a part of my shopping rewards hacks. Now, when you are ready to redeem your kicks for free gift cards, just know that as soon as you redeem it, you will get your gift card code within about 2 minutes. That's one of the reasons I really like using Shopkick. Now, that's it for my Shopkick app review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do me a favor before you leave, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.